second case we understand. If determinant of A is equals to 0, then A is singular. That time calculate adjoint of A into B. So adjoint of A into B we are required to find out. We see whether this value is not equals to 0 or equals to 0 case. So adjoint of A into B not equals to 0, then system is inconsistent. In this NCERT level we are going to deal till this case only. So till this case only we are going to deal. Adjoint of A into B is equals to 0 may not be arises here. So that case also we will see. Adjoint of A into B is equals to 0, then two things are going to arise. Either system is going to be consistent, either system is inconsistent. System is consistent means solution is existing. Solution is existing, but solution is not unique. Then definitely infinitely many solutions will exist. Infinitely many solutions will exist. And inconsistent case, so simply solution not going to exist. Solution does not exist as a no solution. Now next, coming to the exercise 4.6, we'll see examine the consistency. So examine the consistency of system of linear equations and find the solutions. If such kind of the question is given, first of all we need to check whether it is consistent or inconsistent. Then if it is consistent, then we require to find out the solution for it. So we'll see the first 2 by 2 matrix. First question we'll see. Question is given in this way: x plus 2y is equals to 2, 2x plus 3y is equals to 3. Now we'll see the question. We'll try to understand the question. Coefficients of x and y. We need to write in one particular matrix: 1, 2, 2, 3, and the variables are x, y to be written in separate matrix, and the resultant can be written in the other. Now A can be taken as 1, 2, 2, 3, and x can be taken as variables x, y, and B can be taken as 2, 2, 3. Now see, in finding of the consistency, we are looking at either determinant of A is equals to 0 or determinant of A not equals to 0. So we'll check determinant of A is equals to 0 or not equals to 0. So determinant of A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3. 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into 2 is 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 is not equals to 0. Not equals to 0, the meaning is system is consistent. First of all, system is consistent. Then after getting the system is consistent, then what should be find out? We require to find out the solution for it. Then solution can be taken as x is equals to A inverse into B. So A is already given as 1, 2, 2, 3. Then A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinant of A is given as minus 1. Then adjoint of A, 1, 3 will interchange. 3, 1, minus 2 and minus 2 should be kept here. multiplying with minus inside, then it can be taken as minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1. So this is your value of A inverse. Now x is equals to A inverse into B is equals to A inverse minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1. B resultant matrix, it is 2, 3 is given. Now multiplying here, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, 2 into 3 plus 6. Next 2 into 2 4, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 0, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Now what is your x? X is nothing but xy. X is nothing but xy. This implies x value is equals to 0, y value is equals to 1. So this is going to be our solution, and that too, that solution is going to be unique solution. Okay, fine. Coming to the next, we'll see the second type here. We'll see the second type of the example. X plus 3y is equals to x plus 3y is equals to 5, 2x plus 6y is equals to 7. Then checking here, so writing both in the matrix same like 1, 3, 2, 6, and xy is equals to 5, 7. Then a can be considered as 1, 3, 2, 6. X can be taken as xy. B can be taken as 5, 7. Now see here, we require to know whether checking for the consistency, determinant we are finding 1, 3, 2, 6. 1 into 6, 6, minus 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. Determinant is equals to 0. This implies determinant is equals to 0. Then what it is going to come? Determinant is equals to 0. It is a second case. Calculate adjoint of A into B here. Then adjoint of A is equals to 1, 6 will interchange, 6, 1, and minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2 should be taken, and B is given as 5, 7. Now calculate the value and what it is going to come here. 6 into 5, it is 30, minus 3 into 7, 21. Next minus 2 into 5, minus 10, plus 1 into 7 is 7, is equals to 30 minus 21. 30 minus 21 is 9, minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3. Both are not equals to 0. Then it is not equals to 0 matrix. Then adjoint of A into B is not equals to 0. This implies system is inconsistent and solution does not exist.